Nestled amidst the sandy tracts of Portsea, where the Bunurong lands meet the bay, Franklin residence stands as a tranquil haven. Concealed behind a curtain of exotic shrubs, the home, designed by Ola Studio, defies the typical suburban backdrop, instead drawing inspiration from the raw, untamed beauty of its coastal setting. The client's vision, a Japanese-inspired fuzzy white cocoon, echoed a desire for a peaceful sanctuary, a space capable of adapting to the ebb and flow of family gatherings, from solitary retreats to bustling holiday reunions. The design team, absorbing the client's diverse art interests ranging from Japanese minimalism to Indigenous artistry, translated this eclectic palette into a cohesive architectural language. The structure itself is a testament to simplicity and organic form. A single skillion roof, crafted from Australian-grown cross-laminated timber, CLT, sweeps across a rectangular base, subtly acknowledging the site's natural slope. The roof, rising gently from the rear, allows Franklin to peek above the neighboring cypress hedge and tree line, offering glimpses of the bay beyond. The sandy soil, a defining characteristic of the site, facilitated the sculpting of the landscape, allowing the residents to integrate seamlessly with its surroundings. The frontage, replanted with indigenous coastal scrub, aims to restore the natural beachside character, creating a harmonious transition from the wild exterior to the refined interior. From the street, Franklin presents a humble facade, a single-story silhouette that belies the expansive interior. As one journeys down the driveway, descending a series of garden steps, the true scale of the residence is revealed. A simple timber wall and screened fenestration offer a tantalizing glimpse of the warmth and light within. The central, slightly recessed door beckons, inviting visitors to step inside and experience the tranquility that lies beyond. The interior of Franklin residence is a celebration of light and space, a warm, light, joy, and scale as the client requested. The CLT structure, left exposed, creates a sense of natural warmth, while the large north-facing cutout floods the living spaces with sunlight. The design seamlessly blends elements of Japanese minimalism, mid-century modern, and other influences, creating a unique and inviting atmosphere. The thoughtful integration of the client's diverse art interests, alongside the contextual responses to the site's natural characteristics, has resulted in a home that is both a personal retreat and a welcoming gathering place, a true reflection of its owner's vision.